5926 Rancho Mission Road. This is Ian with Build Brothers. Gonna go ahead and do a quick inspection on this whole building. This is not where the leak is happening. This is the other flat section. And we definitely see some repair attempts throughout the years, even though the torch down doesn't look that old. We'll see what it looks like compared to the actual leaky section. What does concern me about these flat sections are the really ancient air conditioning units. So basically anybody looks at that thing wrong and it's going to start leaking and never work properly again. The newer units don't concern me too bad. I've got a certified HVAC technician on staff that can remove those things, so we can shuffle them around, replace rotten sheathing, and re-roof these flat sections. Again, I'm going to recommend that we put a coping metal, a cap basically on that stucco wall, so that never has an issue again, because I see the same thing on all of these. They just have been sealed time and time again. We do see a whole bunch of rotten wood around the edges on these shingle sections, even though the shingles are in slightly better condition than what we've seen on the other buildings. We definitely see that seal failure that I pointed out in a previous video. Anywhere where the seam looks like it's basically bulging. The wind-driven rain is getting up in there every time it rains, and most likely having leaks. Let's keep moving through this building. We definitely have some siding concerns along the Z-bar. We can see it's rotting there, so that's something that we could address and rip out that siding and get that all replaced, and end up putting probably new Z-bar in there as well. First time I've seen that in the 4 buildings I've been on now, so I would probably suggest replacing that section as well as this section that we can see here. And then, yeah, we don't have any leaks on the shingles on this building, but holy cow, the roof is definitely failing. And last but not least, let's look at the flat section where the leak is occurring. It's in really rough shape. It's been coated time and time again, and we've got some ancient air conditioning condensers on it, that's for sure.